Hi educators, in this video we are going to take a look at classanimaker.com. Classanimaker.com is the education version of Animaker that is free for teachers and students. To get there, you're going to go to class.animaker.com, and you can see that students and teachers get a lot of different tools for free that they can access. There are some limitations to the free account, so we're going to click over to the pricing just so you can see those ahead of time. You have up to 25 students, 2 teachers, 6 DIY tools. The privacy settings are ready to go. You do have a limit of 200 megabytes for storage. You cannot share projects. In-app Messenger is still there. Groups, tasks. You have a max video length of 2 minutes, but when you're working with animation, that can be a great starting place because creating animated videos sometimes takes a lot longer than simply sitting in front of a camera and recording. There are a limit of number of downloads per month and some other options along the way. So just to be aware of those, but this is a great starting place to dip your students into animated video making. So we're going to head over real quick to the FAQ page for Class Animaker, just so that you're aware. If you want to end up using this with students, you're going to want to email and request to get that Class Animaker free plan from class.animaker.com. There's also other FAQ things on here that you'll probably want to read ahead of time. Now we're going to head to the dashboard. I've already logged in. I don't technically have the class account right now. I'm just on a regular Animaker. And this is where I'm going to create or start creating. Now I can create a video, a GIF, character, and then the voice and presentation are both in beta. I want to create a video because that's my focus of this time. And I actually want to use a template. I find the blank a little intimidating. So I'm going to scroll through my templates. Oh, I like all the people. This is just going to be a starting place. You can definitely customize things a lot. We'll go ahead and choose this one right here. Once my project has loaded, you'll notice that I have all of these different people and I have a globe that is rotating. I can change. I can't remove this logo, so I may want to move up my title so that it doesn't interfere with things. And then across the bottom, you'll notice a timeline. So if I hit play right now and watch this, as it plays, I'm going to watch my timeline. So I see all the people popping in. And the rest of my one scene video. That's all it is. It's one scene. It's 12 seconds long. Now I can add additional scenes here on the right-hand side. And the first time that I log in, there will be a little tutorial for me to walk through things. I do have the ability to create up to 2 custom characters per month. So I usually might have students create themselves, or I want to create myself, but then beyond that, I use the stock characters that are available here. All of your different features and attributes are available down the side, and because I'm in that basic account, I'll right away know what's accessible to me and what isn't accessible. There's even videos and stock audio that you can add to your projects as well. Creating and animating things in the timeline can take a lot of practice and can be challenging to navigate at first, so I'm going to switch to the light version. And you'll see that the tools get a lot simpler. So this is still the free version, but the light version simplifies all of the tools. So this might be a great starting place with students who are brand new to Animaker or animated video creating, and the full version gives me all of the tools where I can really dig into what exactly that scene looks like. So you can see how I have all of my animations loaded on my timeline and place exactly when things pop up. You'll probably want to reference the animated videos that teach you how to make the different features in Class Animaker. And all of those will be provided underneath this video so that you can learn a little bit more about animation. Once you're ready to go and you have your video created, you're going to click the play sign to just, again, watch your video and make sure it's what you want. And then select to share the video, choosing how you would want to share it with a specific person, or simply copying the link and pasting that link wherever you would like to share it. When you're working as a teacher or with students, I strongly suggest starting with just 1 or 2 scenes and getting the hang of that before you add more scenes to your creation.